Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to force quit on Mac. In addition, we'll tag Mac products within the video and include affiliate links to fantastic Mac products in the description below. To start, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Force Quit. Click on Force Quit. Now, you'll see the list of open applications. Click on the application you'd like to force quit. After selecting, click on the button that says Force Quit. A pop-up window will then appear confirming if you want to force quit the app. To proceed, click on Force Quit. That's how you force quit on Mac. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.